is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is executed at a later time. Let me show you an example. Function fun1, and I'll be putting name and a callback console.log, and function fun2, let's do like this, and fun1 Rajesh and fun2. Let's print it. So as we can see that sequence is correct, as we are uh, printing like hello, I'm Rajesh is coming first, then callback. And in this case our fun2 is our callback, as we are passing this function is in another function which is fun1. So what if I want to pass arguments in a callback? How can I do it? Let me do name this, and I want to change the string as well. Hi, I am name. Then how will be passing this name, because we are just passing here and we are invoking here. Question raised where to pass argument value. It is simply we have to pass there where callback is invoking. Here I'm doing Ramesh, and this would be printing right. So that's how we can work with callbacks. Allah Hafiz.